kan chief minister hi maktak main amizo mi puite ai ma chuanin namdang aramdang mi te an lo ngai sang phian meya tin 7 dan black belt te po lo hlan ni to a kan siam te jinga chuanin a ma saber po ani hialin ka hriat solo chuan mo chuting te chunia te chuanin hei kan hriat angin USA a azuzina mizo dei man pui tur te le thil tul dang dang ate pon yang chu tiang te pokhan committee poimo tak tak te po an nei chawatin India sarkar lai pui hriat puina kal thlapania khutilai zu thlen po khanin hei kan zai thiam lar te po USA te chuan an sin thin alom amai ro chu anni anglo takin ani ero private in mi puya mu thei lo ni chu chung zong te chu phim khurna wang te ania mi poimo ten lo ni ve to bok nen kan zai thiam lar ten chu kal kha chuan mi mal ina ten kala ti khan choten lo kil puya khatiang khan an lo mi khwal thin ania maro chu kan siam meu azuzin thlaki chon khatiang kha rem lo wa chan chu himna chungchanga te po natan a poimo zo ka nge ti thuwa India sarkar lai puin remati lawa chu wang chonin ama soidan taka US kan local po hi hoi kho thon na hun po kan nei lovani atiang deuh khan tin program poimo tak tak te po man pui thei lo nei don ania chutiang te chunia voinia kan clear ho tur ro chu US president mewin lifetime achievement award alo hlana chu chu ro pui kan ti hle maya heti ang US president me poina lifetime achievement pek na tlaka alo ngai kan chief minister Lalduhoma hi alom puyom kan tia kan lompui tak zet seta chu lifetime achievement White House atang alo chuak ngai president io han hlan na hi in lo thlir tiang.
To this, we kindly request Lalduhoma to remain on stage, and it will followed by discretionary funds program. And those who are participating in that program, we request you to come near to the stage.
Yeah, today we are celebrating the Mizo Day. We are greatly honored by the presence of the Honorable Chief Minister of Mizoram. I bring greetings, sir, from President Joseph R. Biden for your leadership, your commitment, and your dedication. The speech which you have given by quoting the historical of India and Mizoram, the pages amazing to see such a beautiful and with proof you are given a speech. So I bring greetings and blessings from the Dr. Joseph R. Biden, President of the United States, and I have two items to be presented to him. I have a personal letter for the Chief Minister, which Dr. Raj will read. Then I have a President's Gold Medallion to be presented, to be honored, that Mr. Henry Moses will do it. With that, I will ask Dr. Raj to read the letter, personal letter for the Honorable Chief Minister.
Okay. This is the letter from the White House to the Honorable Mr. Lalduhoma, Chief Minister, Government of Mizoram, India. The American story depends not on any one of us, not on some of us, but on all of us. I congratulate you on taking it upon yourself to contribute to the public good, and I'm proud to present you with this Presidential Lifetime Achievement Award. Throughout this country and throughout the history, the America story has been strengthened by those who combine an optimism about what can be done with their strength to turn their vision into reality. I know I'm not alone in recognizing that those who are willing to step up and volunteer in service of community and country are essential to the ongoing work of forming our more perfect union. By sharing your time and passion, you are helping discover and deliver solutions to the challenges we face, solutions that we need now more than ever. We are living in a moment that calls for hope and light and love. Hope for our future, light to see our way forward, and love for one another. Through your service, you're privileged. You're providing all of these services. On behalf of the American people, I extend my heartfelt appreciation to you for your volunteer leadership, and I encourage you to continue to answer the call to serve. The country is counting on your service. Dr. Joseph R. Biden, President, United States of America.
Tilpe ron hlan tu te le asher ste in chunga lom thu kan soya khongain kan khwalian pu Lalduhoma kha stage a milodin saksela midang zong an nuaya kan suk thladon nia
tikhanin US President po in Lifetime Achievement Award halo hlana alom puyam takchetatin athu soite pokan lo upload to a chuchu inol en lo ni chuanin description a khuanin link kan lo danga in lo endonia